Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back friends my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. Hopefully you will be fine. Have you are spending good and lavish life. So friend, most welcome. I shared with you beautiful ideas that are completely different. These are very beautiful ideas in this video I shared with you, and this beautiful design in this video I introduce. Hopefully you will be gain different type of thinking knowledge to watching this video. These ideas are completely different to each other. So friend, upload this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality which you know have that, and I hope you can create different type of thinking knowledge to watching this video. Subscribe this channel and you like my idea this channel in this video, and I used to like my ideas and you can create different ideas to watching this video. Body जोर की लग रही. These beautiful design in this video machli. In this video I shared with you beautiful ideas. In this video I shared with you. Hopefully you will be like my ideas which I introduce. So friend, I hope you can create different type of thinking knowledge to watching this video, and you can create different ideas which I shared with you in this video. Hopefully you will be enjoy my ideas which introduce in this video. These are very beautiful ideas in this video I shared, so you feel like my idea which are most ambiguous to each other. So friend, I hope you will be enjoy my ideas in this video I shared with you. Beautiful. In this video I shared with you beautiful design, and that are completely different to each other. सलाम कर लिया था तुमने, सलाम कर लिया तुमने, कर रही नहीं थी बस. And hopefully you will be enjoy, you will be gain different type of thinking. बस भूल गए, वापस याद आ गया. And these ideas are completely different to each other. So friend, you will be enjoy different thinking knowledge to watching this video. Hopefully you will be enjoy these beautiful ideas. I hope you can create ideas that are very beautiful and are compared to each other. So friend, इतना प्यारा लग रहा है. स्टोर लड़ लिया हुआ लग रहा है, इसमें मेहनत हुई है. क्या था ये, साफ ही चलेगी. तय करके ना स्टिकर के दोबारा रख दियो घर जाके. अच्छी लग रही थी. You will be enjoy, or these ideas are completely different to each other. So friend, upload this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality. Hopefully you will be enjoy.